Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting tutorials. Have you ever found yourself frustrated while trying to maintain consistency in your character designs? Well, worry no more. Today, I'll introduce you to Leonardo AI, a powerful tool that simplifies the process of creating consistent characters. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how I created consistent characters using Leonardo AI. We will explore its features and use its tools to design characters for any scenario. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll use ChatGPT and AI Text Generator Perfect for crafting detailed prompts for your characters. Here's how to get started. Open ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description to create one. Once logged in, you're ready to start generating prompts. In the ChatGPT chat box, type, "Generate a prompts for a consistent male character, 12 years old, with the following structure: character name, age, gender, hairstyle, face description, outfit, background description, and action." ChatGPT will generate something like this. Liam Parker, 12 years old, male, short, slightly messy chestnut brown hair with soft bangs brushing the forehead, round face with a youthful curious expression and hazel eyes, a vibrant red hoodie, dark blue jeans and black sneakers, a wooden bench and a small pond in the distance, surrounded by trees with colorful autumn leaves, sitting on the bench, leaning forward with elbows on his knees, holding a small notebook and pen, looking thoughtful as if sketching or writing. Copy the prompts into a Google Docs or another tool. Remember, keep all the details the same except for the background and action. Now that we have our prompts, it's time to bring them to life with Leonardo AI. Head over to the Leonardo AI website. You'll find the link in the video description below. One of the best things about Leonardo AI is that you can use it for free. There's no need to commit to a premium plan if you're just starting out or working on smaller projects. Here's how to get started. Once you're on the website, click the Launch App button. This takes you to the login screen. If you're new to Leonardo AI, you'll need to create a free account. The process is quick and simple. You can sign up using your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account, or you can register with an email address. I'll demonstrate by logging in with my Google account. A few clicks, and voila, I'm in. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll feel right at home. Now that we've logged in, let me give you a brief tour of the Leonardo AI dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is the main feed showcasing images generated by other users. These range from basic sketches to stunningly detailed artworks. You can learn a lot just by browsing these examples. Click on any image to view its details. This includes the prompt used to generate it, the model selected, and any additional settings. These insights can help you understand how to craft better prompts for your projects. As a free user, your generated images will be visible to everyone by default. If privacy is important, you can upgrade to a premium plan to keep your images private. Before we start generating images, let's talk about credits. Leonardo AI uses a credit system to manage resource usage. Here's how it works. As a free user, you will get 150 credits daily, which reset every night. Over a month, this adds up to 4,500 credits, plenty to experiment and create a variety of characters. Credits are consumed each time you generate images, with more complex prompts costing more. If you ever need more credits, you can buy additional credits or subscribe to a premium plan. But for most users, the free allowance is more than enough to create and refine consistent characters. Now for the exciting part. Let's generate our first character. Go to the image generation section. On the left-hand side, you'll see options for models and presets. On the right, you'll find the prompt input field. For this example, let's start with a basic character design. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it, and change the background and action into basic one like a sunny park with green grass, standing in the park. Next, set the model and preset settings. Choose a model you like. As for me, I'll use the Leonardo Phoenix model. Set the preset to 3D render for a polished and detailed look. Set the image dimension that you prefer. Then, click Generate, and within moments, you'll see 4 images of your character. These serve as a starting point. Not bad, right? You can already see how detailed and professional the results look. The real magic of Leonardo AI lies in its ability to maintain character consistency across different prompts. Let me show you how to do it. Click the 3 dots on the right side. Look for the copy seed option and click jacket. This copies a unique value that determines the character's appearance. Navigate to the advanced settings and enable the fixed seed option. Paste the copied seed value into the provided field. Now, let's create a variation. Modify the prompt slightly, but keep the original character, just change the background and action with more details like a wooden bench and a small pond in the distance, surrounded by trees with colorful autumn leaves, sitting on the bench, leaning forward with elbows on his knees, holding a small notebook and pen, looking thoughtful as if sketching or writing. Click Generate again and within moments. Notice how the character's face and features remain the same, but the background and pose change to reflect the updated prompt. This is the power of the fixed seed feature. It locks your character's design while allowing other elements to evolve. Let's try to generate again, this time with extra character, and see what else Leonardo AI can do. Try this prompt walking with a dog, surrounded by trees with colorful autumn leaves. Just keep the prompt for the original character. Generate the images and wait until it is finished. You'll notice that the original male character remains consistent, and Leonardo AI focuses on the primary character. It's also added the dog like what we ask. Let's try to change outfit color. Update the prompt to a vibrant green hoodie, brown jeans, and black boots, playing at the park. Generate again. As you can see, the color of the jackets, jeans, and boots change, but the facial features and core design stay consistent. This flexibility is fantastic for creating variations while preserving character identity. Like any tool, Leonardo AI has its quirks. Here are some tips for troubleshooting common issues. Inconsistent results. If your character's appearance changes unexpectedly, double-check that the fixed seed option is enabled and the correct seed value is pasted. Prompt clarity. Be specific in your prompts. Vague descriptions may lead to unpredictable results. Credit management. Complex prompts or high-resolution settings consume more credits. Start with simpler settings and refine as needed. And that's it. Today, we explored the basics of Leonardo AI and learned how to navigate its dashboard, discovered the tools and techniques for creating consistent characters. If you haven't tried Leonardo AI yet, check out the link in the description to sign up for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy creating. See you in the next video.